Good morning, students. Yesterday, in the previous video, we discussed the topic the print revolution and its impact, the third topic of this chapter. In this video, we will discuss about new words of this topic and figures with the help of this NCERT textbook. So let's start the new words and figures. The first word is ballad. Ballad, historical account or folktale in verse, usually sung or recited. In the previous video, we discussed that ballads and folktales were sung and recited in the villages, in the gathering, in the common places, and in towns in the taverns. So next word is taverns. Taverns are the places where people gathered to drink alcohol at that time, to be served food, and to meet friends and exchange their news and ideas. So those places were known as taverns. So two words, ballads and taverns. You have to remember. Next, this is the figure. Look carefully. Figure 9. J.V. Shelley. It was made by J.V. Shelley, and in 1739 it was published. J.V. Shelley, L. Imprimerie. So this is one of the many images produced in early modern Europe at that time, celebrating the coming of print. As we already have discussed that many people, most of the people welcomed print culture, right? But some people were against print culture. We discussed in the previous video. But this is the image showing the celebration of welcoming the print culture. Clear? So in this figure you can see that a goddess Minerva. You have to remember, question can be asked that which is the goddess of wisdom, right? What is the name of the goddess of wisdom? Minerva. And Mercury, the messenger god, also symbolizing reason. So the women in the foreground are holding plaques with the portraits of 6 pioneer printers of different countries. In the middle ground on the left, you can see here, just this is the machine, printing machine, right? And these people are celebrating, gods and goddesses are celebrating for the coming print. And this is the portrait of Gutenberg, John Gutenberg. He established first printing press in the world. It was established in Germany in 1448, also known as Gutenberg Printing Press. These are another pioneers in the different parts of the world. They established the printing technology or the printing presses. Next, new word, Protestant Reformation. What is the Protestant Reformation? Roman Catholic Church at that time, Roman Catholic Church was very powerful and it was completely controlling the religious beliefs, Roman Catholic Church. But later some people opposed some ideas explained in Bible and they gave the new ideas. These kinds of people were known as Protestant people, and in this way Christianity was divided into two parts: Catholicism and Protestant. So these kinds of people, whatever they started the activities known as Protestant Reformation. 16th century movement, this is the movement to reform the Catholic Church dominated by Rome. Martin Luther was one of the main Protestant reformers. In the previous video we discussed about Martin Luther, that Martin Luther opposed the ideas of Roman Catholic Church and he wrote 95 theses in 1517 and he pasted the copy of these theses on the church door in Wittenberg to oppose the ideas of Roman Catholic Church. Okay, so next, new words, Inquisition. What is the Inquisition? Inquisition were some kinds of courts, former Roman Catholic courts for identifying and punishing heretics. Heretics were the people, those who oppose the beliefs of Roman Catholic Church. Heretical, these were the beliefs which do not follow the accepted teachings of the church. In medieval time, Heresy was seen as a threat to the right of the church to decide on what should be believed and what should not. Heretical beliefs were severely punished, like we took the example of Menocchio. Menocchio was a miller in Italy, and he reinterpreted the ideas about God and creation. So this enraged Roman Catholic Church, and he was carried to Inquisition, and he was declared heretical, and then he was executed in 1599. Right? Satiety, the state of being fulfilled, extremely satisfaction, right? Much beyond the point of satisfaction. Seditious, this is the action, speech or writing something against government. So this is the action, speech or writing that is seen as opposing the government. Next is fear of the book. In the previous video discussed about Erasmus. Erasmus was a Latin scholar and Catholic reformer. He wrote his ideas in adages in 1508 that for opposing print culture. He said that if there was no control over what was printed, then the authority of valuable literature would be collapsed. So this was about Erasmus, and see this figure 10. This is against print culture. This figure is shown here to oppose print culture. At that time in the 16th century, print shows how the fear of printing was dramatized in visual representations of the time. In this highly interesting woodcut, this is the woodcut here, coming of print is associated with the end of the world, that how the world ends, right? In this way, some skeleton kinds of figures are shown here. Clear? So these are the victims of print. Due to the print, the interior of the printer's workshop here is the site of a dance of death. This is like macabre dance of death. Skeletal figures control the printer, and his workers define and dictate what is to be done and what is to be produced. So dear students, in this way we have discussed the new words and the figures of this topic which was covered in the previous video. Thank you. Have a nice day.